Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorial brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And let's jump right in. Today's poster posted this picture, and the only thing that's wrong with it is there's this big old smudged dark stain right in the middle of the shirt. How do we get rid of this? Well, you know what? It's not that hard. All we got to do is let's just grab a portion of the shirt with the polygon tool, but we're going to use a lasso, and we're going to make a big old circle around like this so we can copy the area and extra. We'll right click and hit copy. Now I'm going to turn off the background picture. I want to just cut out the area that we want to change, which is just right here. So I'm going to grab an eraser, and I'm going to grab, I don't know, like a 30-point soft brush so that it softens between the edge that we want to cut out and beyond it. So I'm going to do something like this. See that? It's really simple. This is the part that we want to lighten. And all we're going to do is get rid of the rest by grabbing the lasso tool again and draw another circle in between the two circles here, because we're going to get rid of everything beyond it. I'll let go here. I'm going to right click to select the inverse. This selects everything else but what's inside the circle. So when I hit delete, it deletes the rest of the background. Now if I bring the picture back, the circle is still there, but you can't see it because we haven't changed anything. So all we have to do is go to Enhance, Lighting, Brightness, and Contrast, and check this out. Watch the picture as I move the contrast up and down. Look, see that? That spot just disappears. So you can move it around and dial it in until you're perfectly satisfied with it. And let's say, ooh, I don't know, right around there. And that was at minus 27%. You can play with the brightness. Probably don't need to, but I could just do that just to make it a little bit brighter right around there. And that was +8 and minus 27. Hit OK. I can zoom out, and you'll see that your stain is completely 100% gone. Not there anymore. That's all there is for this tutorial. This is Rich calling it quits, saying over and out.